Rule 5, to suspend the House rules and hear this my matter of urgent importance relating to the violent occurrence and incident in Okon-Aku, Ohafia, Abia State this January. I seek the leave of the House for this to be heard. The House is worried by the violent incident that occurred in Okon-Aku, Ohafia community, in the Ohafia local government area of Abia State on the 2nd of January 2026, during which one Honorable Ige Akuma was allegedly killed, several persons sustained varying degrees of injuries, and some houses and cars were burnt. The House is aware that the said incident caused panic, fear, and disruption of peace within the community, thereby threatening public safety and social harmony. The House is concerned that the continued reoccurrence of such violent incidents, if not urgently addressed, could escalate into wider communal unrest and loss of lives and property. The House notes that the injuries sustained required urgent medical attention and support, while the community requires reassurance of protection and justice. The House is mindful that the constitutional responsibility of government is to ensure the safety of lives and property of citizens. The House thereby resolves to, 1, urge the Inspector General of Police and other relevant security agencies to immediately investigate the incident, identify the perpetrators, and ensure that justice is brought to the community. 2, the House calls for the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, in collaboration with the state government, to provide medical assistance and necessary relief for the injured victims. 3, the House urges the Nigerian Army, through the Goodluck Ebele Jonathan Barracks 14th Brigade, to establish a forward operating base in Okon-Aku, Ohafia, and mandate appropriate House committees to engage relevant stakeholders to prevent further violence and ensure lasting peace in Okon-Aku and its surrounding environs. I so move.